Hi, I'm Paul Burt. I'm an area sales manager with McAlpine, and I'm here to show you our BOSSCONN range of products. And for all of you that have a good moan about strap-on bosses and them leaking and not able to put them on in the cold, this is the product you should be using. So here we have the BOSSCONN itself. So this one is 1.5 inches, and as you can see, there is the back there that goes in the saw pipe. So here I've got a piece of saw pipe already cut, a 57mm hole in the soil stack. Place the boss on there. It has a rubber grommet, rather like a test bung in the back of the product. You place the product on the saw pipe. The tool that comes with every BOSSCONN, you place it into the 1.5 inch port, you twist it anti-clockwise, and it seals on the stack with the rubber test bung in the stack. So that's a proper seal, no glue, no gap filling cement required. And then, if after a few years there's a problem in the saw stack, you can cut the waste pipe, put the tool back in, and it's a rodding eye, and you've got access to the saw pipe. And again, test bung theory, rubber fixes into the saw pipe and you're off again. Fantastic product, solves a lot of problems, no glue needed, where you've got restricted access or you've got a problem with strap-on bosses going off with the glue. Brilliant product.